Gen Z Pterodactyl here. We're at the Charlie's Chicken. And today we see it right here. Here is
Okay, what are you gonna get?
hold on. Oh, drive-through only.
Yep.
And I think I love you. And I think I love you, Mommy.
I love you too. Hey, here we go.
Yes, Mommy, here we go.
Always used to do it.
I need his French fries and a large Mountain Dew.
Okay.
Easy on the ice, and here's that one.
Okay. Okay, that's $6.74. Are you gonna have something else?
Yeah, I need 2 large Mountain Dews, easy ice on this one.
Okay, that's gonna be $4.48. And do you need your receipt for this one?
Yeah.
And for this one?
Yeah.
Okay, just a second.
Okay.
Mommy, I think I love you.
I love you too.
Here's Mountain Dew.
Okay. Here you go, babe. You got it? Okay.
And just
Okay.
Mommy, I think I love you.
I love you too. Are you finished, or are you waiting on your French fries?
I'm waiting for my French fries.
did you get that for Christmas?
Yeah, from Santa Claus.
Santa found it in the Canon video. Santa, they found it.
Yay! He has a YouTube channel.
Oh, you do? What's
Yeah.
your name?
Gen Z Pterodactyl.
Gen Z Pterodactyl.
Well, if I remember later, I'll have to go look you up.
Yeah, he's got 2. He's got an Adrian's KCS train,
Okay.
where we go all over the place and he videos the train.
You love trains.
He loves YouTube, so
Okay, well, that's cool.
it just depends on whatever he, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Whatever he's filming. So, I mean, I like look at it after. I'm like, no.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
You don't ever really know, huh?
Nope, nope.
Yes.
I actually hate it. I mean, you know what I mean? I like look at all of his stuff first, though. You know,
Yeah.
it's like it's kid friendly, kid only.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but he's like a big YouTube.
I like that you can do that now. I think that's a good thing they've done for, like, where you
It
can go
is.
in there and it's like a YouTube for kids. only,
Yeah,
you know,
and comments are turned off and all of that too. You know,
Yeah.
so people can't. Cause, you know, and I try to tell him, you know, don't say your name, you know, and all of that. He doesn't know yet, you know.
Yeah.
It's just
But yeah, I'm glad the comments, because you never know. Those can just,
the whole
people are
world's like
mean,
the
and
whole
it's
world.
just-
Yeah, I'm like the whole world is psychotic. So
you just never know anymore.
yeah,
It's
so I'm like I
crazy.
try to like
You
yeah.
monitor it really well.
Yes, I was like really like against it. You know, like for identity-wise and stuff like that. But like whenever he does his train ones, it's just the train. It's like
Right.
not us.
And
Mommy,
he
where's
also
my
can
3
express
French
himself
fries?
and do, obviously, you know, things that he likes to do
Yeah.
without taking that away.
Where's my
you
3
know?
French fries,
'Cause I know
Mommy?
it seems like we're being selfish when we're like, no, you can't do that, you know.
Not
but
really.
That's
No.
not it.
No, but I'm like I watch every bit of it, and I'm like if I'm in it, no.
Mommy,
All
Well,
right.
you guys have a good day.
All right. Thank you. So thank
Bye.
you.
thank you,
You're
bye.
welcome.
fry?
Yes, Mommy.
Okay, you can cook.
Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.